In this video we are going to make another one project. So this is also very simple project. You can see some views are given like a isometric view, and also some orthographic views are given here like a front view. You can see from this direction you are going to see. So this is your front view, this is your top view, and another one views, which one is the right side views are given here. Okay, so not right side, actually that is the left side view actually. Okay, what view? That is the left, not right side view, left side view is given. So from this opposite U section I am going to start. Just select your plane and create a sketch, okay, in the front plane. So with the help of profile I am going to create. So simply create a like a U, opposite U section. Okay, now we have to define this line length values. What is the length values you can get? You can create first inside or outside, any one of the profile you can create. So total distance you can see here, how much? 166. Then you have to define these values. Okay, you have to minus these values, then you will find that value. So inside profile I'm going to create, so just inside, not inside, outside. So don't minus 10, just simply 166 minus 25 minus 25. Okay, what values you will get? 116. Then next, what is the height values? Just say, so height values are given here 43 plus 10. Okay, so total will be 53 mm. So just define how much? 43 plus 10. So what values you will get? 53 mm. So this side also you have to define 53. Okay, so then next what you have to do, if you want to align this both center point, just align horizontally. Just a second, select carefully and just align it as a horizontal direction. Next, make symmetry. Okay, so already that is in symmetry mode, so no need to define, just you can delete your symmetry feature, symmetry constants. Next, in top you have to apply fillet. So go for fillet and define what is the values. Radius 15 mm, because outer profile I am creating here, so just define radius 15 mm. Just define 1 5. Okay, so now you can see your profile is ready. Next I am going to offset it. Okay, how much you are going to offset? So just see carefully what is the value. 10 mm, you can see this is the 10 mm values. So just apply 10 mm, select a curve. Okay, just select connected curves. Okay, 10 mm, I think this is okay. Just see preview, yeah, or click OK. Now you can see your profile is created. Now what you have to do, you have to close your loop. Okay, because of closed loop only we can extrude as a solid. Just close it carefully. Let's finish your sketch. Sorry, not a sketch. Finish your sketch first, and then now you have to extrude it. Select your sketch. How much you have to extrude? So just go for symmetric and define distance values. What is the distance values? Just go and see. From the top view you can see. So actually middle area we are going to extrude only. So values is 61 mm, because U section we are going to extrude. So 61 divided by 2, because of symmetrically I am extruding it. Click OK. Then next to go. Next what we are going to make? We are going to make this plate. Okay, side plate we are going to make. Okay, just mark it. So this section we are going to make. So all values are given here. You can see here 25, 10, 10. Okay, and this height value is 12 mm. So with the help of that values, first you create your closed profile. Okay, in front face I am creating here, not center rectangle. Just define corner rectangle and define this line length. What is the values? So 10 plus 25 plus 10, total will be how much? 45 mm. and this values how much you have to define. So go for drawing and see how much 12 mm you have to apply. Just go and apply 12. Then next close it. Just apply positions. Just define coincident, or also you can apply between zero distance. I am applying coincident geometrical relation between all sketches and endpoint. Okay. Next, another thing, just you see here also a small slot is there. Okay, so this small slot is there. Length is 25 mm and width is, you can see here, 2 mm is given. It is the very small values. So simply go and create a corner rectangle first and define values. What is the values? So this line length, actually again I am creating a rectangle with length 25 and this width values is how much? 2 mm. Okay, as you can see in your drawing, 2 mm. Now you have to make it as a symmetric, so I am creating a center line first. Just convert it as a construction line or reference line, you can say, and now make symmetric. Just select both lines and then select the center line. Now you can see now your rectangle is symmetric. Now trim your unwanted sketches. So this sketch we don't need. Now finish your sketch and now you have to extrude. Okay, so actually you have to extrude. Just go for drawing and see once. We need this profile, but symmetrically we have to extrude up to 71 mm. So actually we should create this profile in mid plane. Okay, we should create this in mid plane, because after applying 71 mm you can see outside the object is going. So no issue, I can project it. Just to go for a sketch on front plane. Okay, don't worry, just simply go and use project curve, select a connected curve and select all curves, then click OK. Now you can see you will get your all curves in mid plane of front. Just you can hide it and now you having mid plane. Now you can extrude it up to how much you need? 71 divided by 2. Just to apply your values and just unite it. Don't forget to unite. You have to unite this object. Okay, you can see. So next what you are going to do, just I am going to get a hole. Okay, with dia 12 mm. So there are totally 4 holes. So hole position you can see in top view right side. Okay, just create a circle, simple circle anywhere. Now you can create. Just apply dia 12 mm. Now define position. What is the position from this outer in vertical line? So values is, you can see here, 20 mm. So just define 20 mm. Okay, double click on that and define 20 mm. And then next you have to apply vertical, not horizontal. Just you skip it. Again go for rapid dimension and define this as is to this center point. How much you have to apply? You can see 23 mm. So just define 23 mm. Okay, so now what you can do, just you can mirror your circle. Go for mirror and select your circle first, and then center as a center line. You are having already reference center line or sketches. Now just extrude cut, change your direction and subtract it until next. You can see here clearly until next. Actually you are going to, you can see this dot line, it's meant through all. Okay, through all you have to remove, so simply just apply until next. Okay, so next what you are going to do, so already I created this object, so we are going to mirror these features. Okay, because in this side also you need same profile, same features, so simply we can mirror it. So go for more and select to mirror feature. and now select all features carefully. So this is the base plate, and also you have to click on this hole. So just a second, again click on that. Just a second, again go for mirror feature and select your both feature, because there are only two features, and select your mid plane and say preview, and then click OK. Okay, so next what you are going to do, so now you can see in this corner some fillet is there. So you are going to apply how much fillet, so some values also given. Okay, so you can see in all corners what is the radius value is 10 mm. Okay, just apply 10 and select all edges in which edge you need to apply fillet. Okay, just click OK. So almost your profile is done. Next, one more thing is there, like a cylindrical object is there on this top face. So simply go and create a circle first. Okay, so create outer circle only with dia how much 50 mm is given. Select a face. Now create a center. Already you are having centers, no need to define any position. Simply define diameter 50 mm and don't create inside, or also you can create, but separately you should you have to remove. Okay, so now you should both circle I am creating right now. Just extrude outer circle first. Okay, only outer circle how much you have to extrude, and don't forget to unite. Okay, so you can see value is 25 mm. So just define 25 mm, say preview. Okay, so next what you are going to do, you are going to cut. Okay, so this is the through cut. You can see up to last you have to cut it. So simply already I created this circle. So how you will see, how you will select, so go for wireframe mode, change your visualization as a static wireframe. Now you can select your inside profile. So now what you have to do, subtract in which direction, both direction. So just click until next in both direction. Okay, because in bottom also one plate is there. So now change it as a shaded with edges. Now you can see hole is created. So just hide your sketches. Okay, so this is your isometric view. Okay guys, you can see, you can compare this isometric view to this isometric view. Okay.